So everyone takes the pictures from out here, but do they actually go inside? Don't worry, I'll take you in so you can see. I feel like some hot cocoa. So we're in the famous cafe. Hot cocoa, like real hot cocoa. Like all you taste is the chocolate hot cocoa. And then got some little cookies as well. See, I got these cookies right up here at the top. And then they have all these delicious things as well and goodies. And it's really cute inside here as well. Decorated to the max. I wanted to show this little tree right here. It's inside. Isn't it adorable? Yeah. It's cute in here too. Here's the outside, the other part of the famous cafe we just went into. All right. And then from this side, the other side of the building, look at those macaroons, I think they are called. So there you have it, folks. There you go. All right, onwards to find other cool looking spots here in Vilnius. And literally on the same street. I'm sorry, but these are cuter. I mean, look at them. Look at those cuties. The little bears. They need homes too. Whoa. Literally, you turn right after the place, and there's a bunch of restaurants in here. And then look at this beautiful tree. Look at this. So there's another Christmas deal. How awesome is this? Decoration's still right here. By the way, all I taste right now is chocolate. This video shouldn't even have happened, but now it is. So there's more to Christmas than just the old town, than the Christmas gates. So here you go. Beautiful tree. And a choir. Let's listen. Right here, I guess. Angels, all of them. Can still hear those beautiful voices in the background. It truly is a wonderful time of year. And so, see you guys soon. Enjoy the lights while you can. I know I will. Peace.